guys, it's Mama Eadie, and if you like this video, please go to YouTube and click like, and if you'd like to see more of my videos, click subscribe. I really could use those subscribers, folks. Thank you! Hey, it's Mama Eadie, and you know what today is? It's 5 Fun Facts Friday! And today I'm going to do something different. I'm going to talk about the dog owners. What do you think of that? Yep. And the first one, and number one, people love to think their full-blooded dogs are the best. But we all know that mixed breed dogs are the best. I mean, that's all I've got, and I know they're the best, of course. And every dog owner thinks their dog is the smartest. But of course, I think my mixed breed dogs are the smartest. Most dog owners spend more money on their dogs than they do their kids or their grandkids. Yep. Shh, we won't tell. And number 4, every time a dog owner sees a new toy, well, their dog has to have it. Even though your kid had to put the toy back. Because, you know, Santa Claus is coming. And you get it home, and the dog wants to play with the ball that you had already. And number 5, if your dog sneezes, you take him to the vet. But you could have double pneumonia or walking pneumonia, and, well, you would just skip the doctor's visit. You don't need to go after all. I hope you enjoyed that. That was all just for fun, and I hope you loved it. I love you guys. I love my fur babies, even if they are mixed breeds. And bye-bye!